What's up, Saints? This is Steve and Claiming Christianity, and I have a box. Isn't it a pretty box? I don't do these a whole lot, and as a matter of fact, you guys know if you've been following the channel that the Bible reviews are going to slow down. I'll never say that this is the last one, because you never know. If a Bible shows up, I'm going to review it for you all, but this may be one of the last Bible reviews I ever do. I think that I know what's in this box, because it was supposed to be here like 6 months to a year ago, but it didn't. But due to production issues, it didn't show up. So let's open it up and see what's in here. I am excited about it. This isn't my unicorn, but it may be close. It's a box from HarperCollins, and I think it's an NKJV. So let's see what's in this box. And there will be eventually a full review. Handy Swiss Army knife, right? Just the basic one. You don't need the one with 62 different things on it. Just, you know, something to cut boxes open with and all that kind of. Oh yeah, all right. Let's put that to the side. I do appreciate when they put lots of nice packaging in there so it doesn't, because then you see a Bible like this. Let's get rid of the box. Pretty. Some of you may know when it comes in a black box like this is the Premier Collection, right? So this is the NKJV large print Thinline reference Bible in comfort print. The NKJV has my favorite font, which is funny to say, but my favorite typeface is in these Bibles. And this is a limited edition Bible, so I think that it's green. It might be the only green Bible I have. Yeah, green premium goatskin. So I'm pretty excited. Let's open this. Let's open this baby up and see what's inside here. All right. So inside the box, there will be a full review on this. So you're not going to get to see fonts and all that stuff. You'll have to keep your eye out in the next week or two. You get the Premier Collection. Just guarantee that comes. And you know, this is check it out. I've shown you before these premium and Premier Bibles, depending on the company, come in different types of paper. Sometimes you can just slide them. Not this one. This one we're gonna have to be a little more fancy. Let's see if I can open it without ripping the paper. Not that ripping the paper matters, but you know, we try to keep it nice. Ooh, look. Smells so nice. So this may be I have to look, but this may be the only green Bible that I own right out of the box. So you're looking at it right here. Let me open it to the middle. Do our little floppiness test. This is a really nice Bible, and it's not. I had a question about this kind of come up, and it's a good question. Why do you want floppiness? Well, not everybody does. Some Bibles come super floppy, and right now they'd be folded over just like this. This one's not. It may be the perfect amount of floppiness. So this is a really simple cover. I like my covers really simple with not much on the sides. It does have raised hubs. Again, there will be a full review with a close-up look. This is just an unboxing. This is a limited edition Bible, so we'll get the review going really soon. But it's a large print, so this is, I think, off the top of my head, I remember that this is like a 10 and a half point font, which is right up my alley. That's my font size these days is 10. I like 10, and I will hold it up just a little bit for you guys. So you're looking at so you heard me say that this is not my unicorn, but it is close. Here's what I'm looking for. If you're paying attention, Thomas Nelson is a Bible almost exactly like this, but that's verse by verse. This is paragraph format, and paragraph format's great. A lot of people like it. I just prefer verse by verse, especially for preaching and teaching. A lot of you know I preach and teach mostly digitally now, but if I'm reading straight out of the Bible, I still use a Bible. And for that purpose, I happen to like verse by verse format. But we're going to go through this kind of section by section, do a full review of this beautiful Bible put out by Thomas Nelson. Their Premier Collection are really great and have continued to be really great Bibles for really great cost. This is a limited edition. New King James, large print, thin line Bible, and reference Bible, so in goatskin leather. So keep your eye out for the review for this beautiful Bible. If you have questions, drop them down in the comments now. That way I can make sure to address it when the review comes up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, be the Christians you claim to be.